Alexa, what's the temperature?
Which location would you like to know the weather for? Remember, if you enter your zip code in Alexa app, I'll be able to get weather for your local area.
59714. Belgrade, Montana.
Sorry, I couldn't find weather for the location I heard.
Alexa, what's the temperature in Belgrade, Montana?
Right now in Belgrade, United States, it's 33 degrees with clear skies and sun. Tonight's forecast has snowy weather, with a low of 13 degrees.
Today, we're in our Golden State 3003. We just installed this Ecobee4 SMART Thermostat, and it has built-in Alexa. Here it is here. We're just testing it out. We just got it installed. One of the really cool features here that I look at, and I've replaced my own in my own house, is this plate that this comes with. A lot of times when you go into a house, a pre-bought home, or even if it's new construction, typically painters don't paint behind the thermostats. They're usually plugged in and then they go around them. So this plate here, even though it is painted behind here, the plate does cover any imperfections. So that's a really cool feature. Getting it connected, we had to put a booster out here to catch the Wi-Fi signal. We're about 50 yards from our Wi-Fi location, and it's actually picking up, but just not very strong. So Alexa's a little slow to respond, but she is working. The really cool thing about this Alexa is, you can just talk to her right when you walk in. So let's try this out. Alexa, tell me a joke. Alexa, tell me a joke. It's kind of like talking to your dog or your kids. You got to repeat yourself a few times.
What do you call an elephant on hockey skates? An icebreaker.
And there you have it. Ecobee4 is supposed to be a good system. We looked into the Nest, but this is the techie hot stuff right now. What we're going to do is we're going to test this out. We're going to throw a few LED light bulbs into this house and see if we can pair Alexa to those. And a lot of times you can ask Alexa to play music. So just, off a thermostat here, Alexa, play some music. Which I don't know if she'll do it because I don't have iHeartRadio or anything hooked up to her just yet with the Amazon account.
Sorry, I need a minute. Please try again later.
Fun fact for you guys, you do not have to pay for Amazon Prime to access Alexa. You just have to have an Amazon account. So since this is a display home, none of us wanted to actually use our personal accounts on this house so that the new homeowner that actually buys a home can enter their personal information. So you can say, Alexa, buy me a case of water and have it delivered. So that's the reason we didn't personalize it, but we just created basically a dummy account on Amazon so that we can access Alexa. So cool little trick there. Just want to give you guys a heads up. This is a sweet new feature. It is the Ecobee4. Thanks for watching. Outside temperature.
I'm not connected to Wi-Fi. Connect me and I'll be happy to help.
Alexa, connect yourself to Wi-Fi.